my name is Nina. I'm one of the history tour guides here at Cairnwood Estate. I'm standing in the Carriage House where we house some of the carriages and sleighs that belong to John and Gertrude Pitcairn's family. I'm going to talk about a few of my favorites. My favorite is an omnibus. This is the largest, most formal carriage in the collection, and it's very special because this is the actual carriage that John and Gertrude rode into their wedding and to their reception down in Philadelphia on January 8, 1884. Their wedding day was reportedly overcast with a bit of sleet or rain, some ice throughout, not ideal wedding weather, so it might have been nice to have a fully enclosed ride on that day. Imagine Gertrude in a Victorian-style wedding dress, completed with 20 yards of Venetian lace and a cathedral-length train. It's quite a bit of fabric to gather in and out of a skinny carriage door on a cold, snowy day. To the opposite side is a surrey with a fringe on top. This is a ladies' carriage, meaning the ladies could take the reins themselves and leave the coachman or chaperone at home that would often come along in this era. It provides a little bit of social privacy for the ladies to go for a picnic or maybe call on friends on a nice day. This surrey belonged to Vera, John and Gertrude's only daughter. Finally, in green, a forerunner bobsled. This would be perfect for sliding around town on a cold, snowy day. A fun fact about sleighs is that they were adorned with jingle bells. These were originally a safety precaution. They would alert passersby that a sleigh was approaching because on the quietness of a snowy day, you can't hear sleigh glides or horse hooves, so the jingly bells would let them know to hop out of the way. In front of the sleigh is a green livery or uniform jacket that belonged to Preston Hewlett, one of the coachmen at Cairnwood. We know that the jacket belonged to him because on the inside breast pocket, there's a tag that bears his name. These are just a few of my favorites. In our next segment, we'll venture into the center bay where we'll talk about a few more vehicles. So I hope that you'll join us.